When a server crashes in the middle of a manufacturing run or a healthcare clinic faces a ransomware scare, Worcester's top industries don't want empty promises. They need fast answers and real accountability. The pressure is mounting. 78% of businesses globally are struggling to find the right tech talent, slowing down projects and forcing tough choices about where to focus limited resources. As John Garner, CEO at iMedia Technology, says, Worcester businesses expect IT partners to own the outcome, not just the process. That's the difference between a true partner and just another vendor. Today, remote work is reshaping how teams collaborate, and cyber threats have become a daily concern. Manufacturing alone saw a 61% increase in cyber attack victims last year. Leaders are shifting away from transactional vendor relationships to partnerships built on clear, measurable results. In fact, 67% of organizations now prefer result-driven partnerships because they're tired of finger-pointing when things go wrong. Many companies fall into common traps, choosing vendors based only on cost, skipping clear performance metrics, or overlooking security. The best practices are clear. Prioritize value and expertise, set KPIs upfront, communicate regularly, and ensure your IT partner can scale with you as you grow. Worcester's leading businesses know that piecemeal support and patchwork solutions just don't cut it. The most effective IT support is invisible until you need it, always working in the background to keep your operations running smoothly. Whether you're in healthcare, manufacturing, or education, the right IT partnership means fewer headaches, predictable budgets, and a team that's ready for tomorrow. To dive deeper into these trends and learn practical steps for building a results-driven IT partnership, read the full article on our website and don't forget to add us to your playlist.